I, Safari Mugyenyi, I swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect.
Ngorta hwirejwe muremanzi kandi bamwe abakansara batawuni kanso yasanga ecyabo kirengera abo kuba n'uruzungu tubagerezeho no kugezaho bitu batorino owaro basomere.
I swear in the name of Almighty God that I will give faithful service to the council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as the law established. So help me God.
Safari Mugyenyi niwe arahiziwe nkamya wasanga town council bwanyuma kwasibwa office abwenchiro ya kabiri ashabire kandi abembezi okwatanisa hamwe okora abantu baburijo ababatira mu office kubasa kubasiyobohereza burungi
umugabo n'urungi abataba beshye bureke kubatondeka abakandi kunojya ngo kasingwa umuntu yakora hitama ukahuriye mwene cyo kwemera ngo batakora utakora mugenzi wawe so niba sawa tugira usinge tugiriho rero musanga town council.
Mugyenyi arabwire office ya DC okurekeraho kwatampore ibintu byentunguka ebikuba bishabirwe kanso okureba ngo town yasanga yatunguka
ibintu byo kukereza umwaka kawo rero mpesha kwenda kuganga tugenda twara procurement zetu za district zimataneza umushazo attended to and no action taken against it and equality okumiza muno kore mirimo ijambo turagiza ofisha bugarakaye mwene yarangishaka ngo this time I'm not going to tolerate that. Abantu kutelinti byanya district kamara mezi mushangu bitakatenge umukono hinga kuhinduza. So na kituma ugambe na kawo y'umukuru adina nuri and I'm very annoyed with you.
Okurahira kwa omuhwezi wa Mayor Beatrice Musimenta na omuhwezi wa Speaker Catherine Nakazi kubira Amino Garuguru.
Well, and to serve the Town Council of Sanga in the office of Deputy Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Eki kiretire n'abakansara kwecengera ngo nabo orungereza rubasa kubazo mbaraka batiyo bakashaba owaro basomere. Agnes Mugaro cy'umugisha atorine ahabwa speaker kwemembera kanso ya town council arugaruka ombegere bya Charles Kakule.
Swear in the name of my God that I will all the times work and truly serve the town council of Sanga in the office of the speaker, and I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Nyenda at least abantu service delivery a ground ekabantu. Ekyo nimanyisa ki amalwaro embazeriyo amasomero gitu ngafuna service ekindi attendance yasanga yogali besomero limwe nga twenda amasomero goni yaberi keji leka egabanywe equally.
Abandi bembeza batorine kwemembera ubukiko bw'entebe zitari zumwe na zumwe harimo Karaha Christine atwire eyo bwa finance Benon Kato yatwara byesente kandi we kole batsasirwe atorinwa akakiko ka social works gasha kwa Edwin Ram.